Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox my May Birchbox, but before I get into this box, I want to thank you so much for your support and helping me to get 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, that sounds so surreal for me and I never saw this day coming, so I'm so excited and thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Vera and I like to do makeup tutorials, you know, beauty stuff, nails, hair. So thank you so much for your support, and I'm not going to do a giveaway because even though I have 1,000 subscribers, I'm still poor. I don't know, I was thinking to do a huge giveaway when I'm going to hit 10k. Huge giveaway, 10k. I know 10,000 subscribers seems like a dream, like impossible. But nothing is impossible these days, you know? So I'm going to make it huge, at least 5 winners, if not 10. So yeah, till then I guess I'll have to wait and grow my channel slowly. And thank you again so much for your support, and if you want to see what I got this month, then please keep watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to address the elephant into this room. My nails, they are super long, I know. I'm not used to them. They are pressed on nails and they don't look cute if you look this way. But if you look this way, they kind of look natural. So I'm not feeling them. I feel like they are very fragile and they are going to break in a second. But these are from Primark, like €1.50. Girl, I got you. If you want some pressed on nails, these are the matte, the Squarletto, and you get 24 nails in here. I don't know, they are too long for me. I guess I'm going to file them down a little bit more, but I put them on for the sake of this video because I didn't have time to do my nails, so yeah, ignore them. Don't spill the tea, girl. Alright, so this is how the box looks like this month. It opens like that, so I'm going to hold it. And it says, there is always time for tea, but first, coffee. Super cute, right? Alright, so let's see what we got this month. I'll be there for you. This is the theme for this month. And it says Birchbox Friendship. Okay, so first thing I see is this coupon code from Mockberg, and you have two options: buy one get one for free, or use the code that they give you for €50 off from your order. So that's cute. I'm not planning to buy a watch anytime soon, but thank you. So we have a few products in here. First I'm going to start with this one. This is by Merci Handy Hello Sunshine Love and Dry Shampoo. So I'm not a fan of dry shampoos because my scalp is super dry, my hair is super dry, so dry shampoo doesn't really work for me. But this is cute. Love is in the air. Are you the absolute boss at running late at work? Of course, always. We've got to the root of the problem and created this dry shampoo to absorb sebum and give you a perfect volume in no time. Bouncy, silky, deliciously scented hair just for you. Invisible formula for incredible lax. Hello Sunshine, the scent of Suncream and faraway travels. I don't know how that smells. Loaded with love and pro vitamin B5. So let me smell this. I'm going to shake it a little bit, and this is a pretty good size. Like, this is 100 ml. Hello. Woo! Oh my god, this smells so good. Doesn't feel that dry, so I think I'm going to try this on my hair. Not right now, but this doesn't have that powdery feel, you know what I mean? Actually, this feels like nothing on my hand right now, but this smells so delicious. Alright, so let's see the price. Where are you? Alright, so they have 3 color scents, I guess. The pink one is Flower Power. Then the orange one that I got is Hello Sunshine. And then they have a purple one, which is Namaste. So this retails for €4.95, and that's super cheap. Alright, next I'm going to see this. I think this is a serum. So this is by the brand It's Skin, and we never got anything from It's Skin 10, I guess. It's Skin 10. So it says Power 10 Formula Yeah Effector with Yeast Polypeptides, Skin Safely Tested. So on the back it says made in Korea and is in Chinese, I guess. Yes, so this has Yeast, I don't know how to pronounce that. And this brand is new to Birchbox, and this is a face serum. This retails for €19.99, and this is made in Korea, so I'm so excited to try this. Let me smell it. This is super tiny, like, ooh. Doesn't smell bad at all. It smells like fresh. I'm excited to try this. Alright, so next we have this. This is from Institut Karité Paris, and this is a Shea body milk. This retails for €19, and is a huge bottle because it's a body milk body lotion. So this is super small. This looks like a hand cream. And let me see how this smells. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, and a little bit goes a long way. And oh my god, this smells like a very expensive perfume. Oh Jesus, so good. Alright, so I'm going to read what it says on the back, and the writing is super tiny and I'm like, what? So it says, discover our shea body milk enriched with shea butter, deliciously melting. Its non-oily texture will leave your skin soft and delicately fragranced. So this smells so nice, and it's true, it's not oily, so feels very hydrating, but it's not oily, so this is a plus. Alright, so next we got 2 sun creams from Ladival, and I got them before, but I'm not mad because this brand is super nice. So this is Urban Fluid with a hint of color, no perfumes, no parabens, no anyway, and this is FPS 50 plus, which is super nice. Alright, so the full size for this retails for €20.57. Alright, so that's it. The last product we have is super cute and super tiny. This is from Model Co. This is their baked highlighter in the shade Moonshine, and it's so small, like super cute. How I'm going to get this? Oh, easy. I feel like I can do anything with these nails. Alright, so this is super small and super adorable. So let's see the color. Interesting. This looks like a peachy pinkish highlight. I don't know if I'm going to like this on my face, but I'm going to give it a try. So let's swatch it on my hand. Okay, so this doesn't look like a highlight to me. Oh, maybe yes. This has glitter in it, and I'm not a fan. Alright, let me see if the camera focuses so you can see the glitters. I hope you can see them. So it's not that blinding highlight that I'm used to, but I don't like it because this has glitters, like tiny flakes of glitters, and that is not my thing. So this retails for 25 euros. Oh my god, model code. This is a little bit expensive. Oh, so you can use this as a blush or eyeshadow. So I think I'm going to use this more like an eyeshadow or a blush, because for highlight it's kind of pinkish peach for me, and it has glitters. Why? Alright guys, that's it. This is what I got in my May Birchbox, and I think it was a nice box. I'm not excited to try this highlight because this has glitters and I'm not a fan, but I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow, maybe, to see how that works. Also, I'm going to give this a try because, as I said, dry shampoo doesn't work for me because I'm dry everything, but I'm going to give this a try to see how this works for me. And this face serum, I'm so excited to try this. This looks like so good, you know. And yeah, I think this was nice. And don't forget about this coupon code. I don't think I'm going to use this, but it's nice that they include it in this month box. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Oh, I just saw a unicorn, girl. I got the coupon code. Hello. It's a kind of magic. No, it's not. They're just pressed nails, and they're kind of annoying. I can't do much with them. 20 euros and 57 euros. What the heck? Girls, play better. Bye.